How to make a good dating profile on Hinge. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Investnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can make a good dating profile on Hinge. Now there are a couple of things. First thing first, you want to post an attractive, accurate and primary photo. So your photo makes a great first impression with a nice headshot. Your primary photo is the first photo potential matches see. So pick a photo that represents you accurately and shows off the good looks your mama gave you, of course. Then you want to use secondary photos that showcase your interests and values. You want to be upfront about your stats. You want to pick positive prompts, and then you want to go ahead and fill out other necessary details in a very proper way. You want to answer prompts in ways that people will pick interest on you, so that you can pick the interest from others. You want to highlight your sense of humor. Be yourself, of course, and then talk about your interests and passions on your profile. Talk about your ideal match. Be kind and respectful, and communicate your deal breakers as well. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.